I'm Kim Slimbaugh. I'm a Social Security disability attorney with MCV Law. And I want to talk to you about 5 types of evidence that you need to prove your Social Security disability claim. The first thing you have to prove is that you will be incapable of working for at least 12 months. Now that doesn't mean you have to wait 12 months to file your Social Security claim. You have to have medical evidence that shows that you can't work now and that your condition is such that you're not going to be able to work at all for at least 12 months. The next thing you have to prove is that you're incapable of performing your past work. Social Security looks at the last 15 years of your work history to determine what type of jobs you held. You have the burden to prove that because of your condition, your illnesses, or your injuries, that you're incapable of doing any of the jobs that you held in the last 15 years. Once you show that you're incapable of performing your past work, the next step is to show that you can't do any other type of work. And how do you do this? You do this by limitations. Limitations come from your medical providers, and the limitations are such that they show what types of activities you can't do or how your conditions limit your ability to do certain work-related activity. The next thing you have to prove once you show Social Security that you're incapable of doing any of the jobs that you've held in the last 15 years is that you really don't have the ability to do any other type of work. For example, if you have a back injury, maybe you don't have the ability to be on your feet for more than an hour a day. Or maybe you can sit, but you can only sit for 20 minutes at a time, and then you need to get up and walk around for 10 minutes. The limitations from your providers show that you're incapable of doing any other work on an ongoing, continuing basis to support your claim for disability. At MCV Law, we recognize everybody as an individual and their cases are different. We will work with you to get the medical records to support your claim. We'll help you communicate with your doctor to get limitations that show that you're incapable of working. And we'll work with you to prepare your case and to strategize to present the evidence in the best light to the judge.